Okay, so I'm going to show you guys knob building right now. And basically we are centering, but we're going to center high. This is called throwing off the hump. So you're going to take a hump of clay, and I've just centered, and then I've squeezed it until it kind of comes up to the top. And then you can just actually just center just a little bit at a time. I'm gently taking my fingers where we did collaring. You're like finger collaring right here. And you can just gently kind of hold this and center it. So you guys can make all different kinds of knobs. I like to make this part first, but you don't want to get too skinny because then it can't hold the top. And you guys can form little knobs with different shapes. They can come down and out. If your hands have a lot of gunk on them, I clean the gunk off so that it doesn't, looking for my, so it doesn't get too yucky looking. But you can take your trimming tool and help you shape. I generally just use my fingers, but this kind of cleans things up and gives you a shape. Once you kind of have the shape you want, I go back and work on that bottom part. And there's a lot of ways that you can cut this off. So you can kind of push down, and you can use your needle tool, but you got to keep pretty good. I don't want there to be yucky stuff on my fingers because that shows up on there. You just gently come in, and I'm trying to kind of have that come up. Once you get to the middle, you can lift it off. Put that on your board. That's one way. You can also pinch it off. So I'm going to kind of center another one up here. So this one's going to be a little funkier looking. I can use my sponge and clean that up a little bit. Want that a little bigger. Okay, clean my fingers off. You can take this at the bottom, push down, and you can actually just pinch this off. And lay that down on your board. And we'll get to those next week. Or you can use a paring knife, and we have a bunch of knives over there. You guys can't keep these in your toolkits. I'll need them to go back over there. But you can make your shape. It could even have a couple tears on it. I'm going to push down, and I'm going to use a knife, and I'm going to gently, let me get it wet, I'm going to gently go in and pull that off on a knife. And sometimes you feel like you have a little bit more control when you do that.